Are you looking for a homemade peach ice cream recipe that is super duper easy to make? Guys, you're going to love this recipe. It uses freestone peaches. So stick around for today's recipe. You'll find all the ingredients throughout the video. I received a box of peaches from Cruciform Church, so I decided to make some homemade peach ice cream. I'm going to show you how to construct this recipe that doesn't require a lot of ingredients. The sugar content is important in this ice cream, but if you can't stand the amount of sugar that's added, you can reduce it to half a cup. The amount of sugar actually reduces the freezing point of the custard, which gives this ice cream a very creamy and luscious texture. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you need for today's demo throughout the video. Please subscribe and share this video and comment, and also please hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. In my bowl here, I'm going to begin with 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. I warmed up in the microwave. It's not super hot, but it's warm. Okay, it's warm to touch. I just want it warm enough that I can dissolve my sugar in. And I'm using 3/4 of a cup of sugar, vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring, and that's approximately a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of peach flavoring. I'm going to mix in my heavy cream, and that's 2 1/4 cups of heavy cream. I have some freestone peaches that I've already peeled and cut into slices right here. I'm gonna cut those up into smaller pieces so my ice cream is making. Okay, I'm gonna turn the machine on. And once I turn the machine on, I'm gonna pour my ice cream into, I'm gonna let this go for about 25 minutes. And we're gonna add the peaches. So this has been going for about 25 minutes. And it's at a nice soft serve consistency. So what I'm going to do is just pull this out, pour this into my freeze container, and then I'm going to fold in my peaches. So I have my peaches here, and I just took a bunch of my peaches and I chopped them up with my knife, just to get them kind of to small chunks. And I'm just going to simply fold in my peaches. Now I'm using approximately 2 cups of chopped peaches that are chopped finely. If you want to add more peaches to this, you could. So I'm just folding in all those peaches. It smells so good. Now I'm going to just spread it smooth across the top. And when you fold it, just fold it gently. That way you won't pull all the air out. You see I still have a nice volume in this ice cream, and that's what we want. The lid on, so I'm gonna scoop it when it's done. Here's the ice cream. It's sat in there for about 8 hours. I just want to show you guys how creamy this is. And scoop, and it's extremely creamy. See the texture? It's really nice. So guys, here is the peach ice cream. It's nice and creamy. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. I have some here. Now I'm not a fan of peaches at all, but I'm still gonna give this a taste. This is pretty delicious, guys. The peach flavor is very strong. The peaches are sweet and tender, nice vanilla flavor. The ice cream is very silky and smooth and creamy. It's not icy at all. It's everything you look for in ice cream, guys. Beautiful, creamy, silky texture. Please, please, please hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Please try this recipe because it's worth trying. And please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love each other. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to check out my previous videos, and also please share.